how to find your events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your events on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines here in top corner and go down until you find events and click on it, and here you will find your events. And I don't have any events, that's why there is nothing here, but you may find your events here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.